a little video here, the guys like showing you could, I'll probably hear that beep, beep, beep coming through. That's what's going to happen if you've got your like CarPlay happening on your head unit or whatever, and you get an alarm from the like TPMS. Because obviously you might have a wireless CarPlay going on, so you got this like your phone like sitting down here or something. But you still want to know when that sort of you know when something goes wrong. So you're getting a alarm come through here, like, in the background, and the other, it's like cutting off the other music. So that's when you know you have a tyre pressure issue. So probably best to either sort of safely access your phone and have a look what is like going on there, so you can like sort it out.